Today's big news is the exploitation on the Binance exchange. Irregular trades have triggered Binance's internal risk management system. Earlier today, we've seen a huge increase in the CEAS-BTC trading pair with a 505% gain, transactions totaling 7,000 BTC, around $45 million. Shortly after this abnormal trading, Binance halted this trading. In addition to this, Binance announced that all API keys will be reset as a precautionary security measure. I personally don't think this is a huge security breach. It only seems to affect the CEAS-BTC trading pair. However, it looks like Binance may be out nearly $45 million. And as always, CZ tweeted that funds are secure. Another interesting news, Bitcoin mining activities in Sichuan province was disrupted due to the flood. If you have watched my other short videos, then you know Sichuan is the capital of Bitcoin mining, and floods have just destroyed many mining farms. Why are we talking about this natural disaster here? Because analysts claim that the decline in the BTC hash rate was caused by the Sichuan flood. It was reported that although the volatility which occurred in the hash rate chart of Bitcoin was an expected occurrence, the sudden fall in the hash rate of Bitcoin has, however, kept investors and analysts at alert. However, some other analysts think that the drop in Bitcoin hash rate was due to a combination of the Sichuan flood and the heat wave in Eastern Europe, which caused mining centers that ordinarily had low profit margins make even less profits. Analysts also stated that if the flood had been the primary cause of the drop in hash rate, then there must be a huge proportion of computing power located in just one region and a particular mining center. You can read more news on our website, asiacryptotoday.com.